This is a street taco inspired pizza, and this is how I made it. There are 7 key ingredients to this pizza: pico de gallo, cotija cheese, fire roasted pineapple, sliced avocado, pulled pork, fresh cilantro, and cheddar cheese. The pulled pork needs to be prepared 24 hours in advance, so let's start with that. In a small bowl, I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon smoked dried chili, half a tablespoon cumin, half a tablespoon smoked paprika, half a tablespoon onion powder, and a little Aleppo pepper. This is optional, I just had it laying around and wanted to try it out. Mix that all up. Today I'm going to make my pork in the slow cooker. However, a smoker is a better option. But due to time constraints today, I just need to be able to set it and forget it. This is a 5-pound pork shoulder. I'm going to give it a good rub down with that seasoning mix I made. Then we'll throw it in the slow cooker and put it on the lowest setting. That'll cook for 8 hours and it'll be ready to pull apart. This will be way more pork than you need for a pizza, so use what you can and then put the rest in the freezer for a future endeavor. Now I'm going to throw together some fresh pico de gallo. You just need to dice up some tomato, a fresh jalapeno, quarter a lime, chop up some cilantro, and dice half an onion. I'll add everything to a mixing bowl, hit it with some salt, and mix it up. Pico, baby. Next, I'll slice up an avocado and shred some cheddar. The last ingredient to prepare is the fire roasted pineapple. For that, I'm going to take a fresh pineapple and dice it into thin pieces. I'll put it on a pizza pan and add a little salt and pepper. And I'm just going to fire roast it in the rock box for a few minutes. This removes some of the excess liquid and concentrates the pineapple flavor. You could roast it in your home oven on 450 for 5 to 10 minutes as well. I think that's it. We're ready to build the pizza. I'm going to stretch out a 12-inch pizza. The dough recipe is in the description. Then I'll add some fresh pico, followed by some cheddar cheese, a hearty portion of pulled pork, then the avocado. You can put this on after it's cooked if you prefer. Next, I'll add that roasted pineapple and just a little fresh mozz to hold everything together. Cook it in whatever type of oven you like to use. Today I'm going to use the Rockbox pizza oven. In just about 2 minutes, it's looking real nice. It just needs a little cotija cheese and a garnish of fresh cilantro. There it is, a street taco inspired pizza. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, why not hit the subscribe button?